this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can cash out on MoonPay. If you want to convert your crypto to fiat and get it in your bank account, then here's how you can do it. So I'll be explaining how. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already created your profile, you've already verified your account and activated your portfolio so that you will be able to actually access all of its features. And once that's all said and done, what you will have to do is you will look for the sell crypto feature here, and what you will have to do is you will just have to click that, and then you will select the cryptocurrency that you want to cash out. And then after you've selected your cryptocurrency, you will just have to enter the amount and select your bank account for withdrawal and review the fees and conversion rate. And of course, you will have to confirm the transaction and complete verification if needed. And by the way, the funds will arrive in your bank around 1 to 3 business days, but it really depends on your country and your bank account. And yeah, it's really that simple, but you should always verify your bank account details to avoid delays. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.